Love you.
Love you, Daddy. See.
Have
Have a
some chicken,
safe
watch the
trip,
bones.
Daddy. Yeah. Bye. Muna na siya umalis, oh. 5, magsi 6 o'clock na hapon. Oh, we're here na, Baba. Hi, yeah. Checking out. Uwi na ka. We're checking out. Are we checking out na, Baba? Time check is 6:08 in the morning. Say hi. Yes, Baba. Oh, good? Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye, Pullman Hotel. Bye. Say bye. Good morning, guys. Dito na kami sa lobby. Naghihintay lang kami sa sa sundo namin para ihatid sa airport. Ang flight namin is 8:45. Time check is 6:20. Yung pick up is 6:40 pero wala pa siya. Pero parang kinakabahan ako kasi sobrang traffic. 6:45 yung flight namin. So yun, guys. See you sa airport. Bye. Say bye, Papa.
Bye.
Say bye. Say I love you. Oh, isa pa. Oh, good girl. Dito na siya, guys. Okay, get your map. Baba. Here, hold mommy's hand. Now let's go. It's here. It's here, I think. Whoops. Oops. I think. Oh, hindi. Oh. Kala ko na. Ah, hindi pala, guys. Mali. Not yet, Baba. Oh, up. Hindi pa pala, guys. Hindi pa yung 6:35 na. May 10 minutes pa para hintayin namin siya. Ayun, guys, so ang traffic, oh. Busy na ng kalsada. To think na 6 pa lang siya. 6:35. Okay, wait, Papa. Mag-aapura na siya. Kulit kami sa loob kasi wala pa. 10 minutes pa naman bago mag 6:40. Ayun si Holly. Bye, Papa. Here, come on. The car will be here soon. Come here. He's here. Come on, Holly. Hold mommy's hand. Eto na talaga, guys. Andito na siya. Hold mommy's hand. Hold mommy's hand. Ayan yung sundo ni guys. Siya na nga. Hi!
Hello, Aabot.
Yes! Say hi! Okay, get in. Go, Baba. Up. Get in. Go.
Welcome. Are you sure you can go there? Hi.
Up. Good girl. Okay, let's go. Thank you.
You like this seat,
Yeah. Come on here.
but this is for you.
No, Baba, you're gonna have your...
Special seat for you.
Yeah, come on, here. Come on, sit.
That's on you.
Yeah, it's alright. I will just... Yeah, it's alright. I just...
No one is coming, isn't it?
No, just me.
Okay, you're going to Terminal 4, isn't it?
I'm not sure. It's, Rex?
Rex, I think Terminal 4.
Okay. Is that what they say?
Yeah, it's showing, what I mean, airport,
Okay.
Terminal 4.
Okay.
We don't do much, to
Me,
Rex.
I don't know. Okay, see ya. Yeah, thank you. Ayan o. Sobrang traffic niya talaga. On time naman siya. Time check is 6:48 na. So, yan. Sana hindi kami ma-stuck dito. Sobrang traffic talaga. Bye, Melbourne. Bye. Bye, Melbourne. Bye, Holly. Say bye. Say bye, Melbourne. Say bye, Melbourne. Flying kiss to Melbourne. Good girl.
I live with my older son right now.
Okay.
Younger one.
kasi mga 5 ako 5 o'clock, siya 5:30. So time check is 7:10 na guys. Still nasa van pa rin kami papuntang airport. Ayun siya, tulog na siya. So see you sa airport. Guys, we don't know where we're going. Dito na kami. Sumusunod lang kami sa mga tao kasi hindi ko alam. Terminal 4, bago daw itong airport. Terminal. Guys, kanina di ba may kasama kami. Sabi, tinatanong niya ako anong plane. Jetstar daw. Ako sabi ko hindi, Rex. So ngayon, hindi ko alam kung saan kayo pupunta ni Holly. Ngayon, hinahanap namin yung Rex Saver na kasi ayan guys, so Jetstar siya. Ayan. Tapos nakapunta na kami doon sa dulo. Tapos ayan, bumalik kami. Ayan, Jetstar. Ayan, balik kami dito sa pinaka una. Hindi ko kasi talaga alam guys. Ito talagang Tula carrier is very good. Rex, ayan, Tiger. Ito Tiger naman, itong isang gate. Ayan, Tiger. So Rex. Saan si Rex? Saan ka ba, Rex? Rex Saver daw. Holy. Sana ito siya. Hindi ko alam, walang nakalagay na Rex guys. Pero pasok tayo dito. Rex Saver. Sandali guys, hanapin ko muna ha. Wala namin Rex.
The seat next to you. So,
Yeah. Thank you. Thank
so
you.
boarding is 8:15,
Yeah.
gate 30. On the left you'll see gate 30, gate
Okay, thank you. Sabi niya, akyat daw pa kami mga 4 meters. Hanapin natin yung escalator, 4 meters daw from doon. Tapos akyat. So, hanapin muna natin guys. Sabi niya, after escalator, turn left. Then, may malaking food court. Then, turn left again, then down. We're gonna go down, baba. Turn left. Hello guys, hindi ko alam. Sundan ko lang ito dito. Hindi naman ako na-inform na kailangan po namin dumaan sa security. First time ko to guys. Magsasara roll yung gate namin. 7:40 na. Oh my God, Holly. Guys, hindi ko talaga alam kung saan pupunta. Alam niyo ba, pinahubad pa itong carrier sa akin. Kasi hindi ko naman alam na may pagganito na dadaan kami dun sa paiskan-iskan. Kasi nung pagpasok namin dito sa Melbourne, walang ganito. Ayan guys, dito kami parang nasa duty free na kami. Sabi, malaking food court. Ay, sana tayo, Holly, yung gate 30, Holly. Yeah. Talaga. As in, hinupad ko pa si Holly na kaya natagalan pa ako. Gate 30 the Holly. Gate 30. Ayun. Ngarag na ako guys. Ayan, gate 11, 15, 52. Saan tayo, Holly? Ayun, gates. Hala, nanginginig na pa ako kasi hindi ko alam saan tayo pupunta, Holly. Ayun, gate. Gate 30. Ayan yung gate. Gate 30. Ayun dito. Bababa na naman kami. Gate 30. We're going down again, Holly. Gate 30. Grabe. Baba. Oh, guys. Rag na ang peg namin ni Holly. Anong oras, Soli? 8:15 ang gate natin. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Hello, everyone. Where's your shoes? Make sure your shoes is there, ah. Pinapawisan na ako. Parang hubarin ko tong backcoat natin, Holly. Ayan na. Ito na, guys. Dito na kami. Ayun yung ano namin. Yung gate. Una ko doon. Doon. Sabi ko, going to Mount Gambier. Sabi ano, going to Mildura. Tanungin natin. Nakaupo na ako. Hintayin na lang namin yung plane namin. Ayun si Holly. Pinakawalan ko na siya dito sa carrier. Kasi init na kami para. Ayun siya. You wanna sit? Do you wanna sit, Baba? Okay, you can sit here, Baba. Here, sit here. Opo, ikaw dito. Opo. Mommy, hold your mouth. Opo. Opo, opo, Baba. Good girl. Then sit down and then here. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? What you gonna say?
Mom.
Okay, what you gonna say? What you gonna say? Da. Magbo-board na kami, guys. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. Are you hungry? Mommy's hungry. Can I eat you? Oh. Papa, you mommy. Are you singing? Here. Yes. Pangalanan natin bus. Papunta dito tsaka pa uwi. Nag-bus kami. Para makapunta sa plane. Alright, Papa? Kasi bagong ano daw to terminal. Ayan. No, Baba, ito. Wow! Tutur kami around the airport. Yung sa loob na ng ano kung saan nasan yung mga airplane. Yes, Baba. Papa. Sino, Papa. Hindi nakapark yung ano namin, yung aeroplano namin. Kasi kanina pa kami naglilibot dito sa loob ng ano. Kung nasan yung mga planes. Another bus. Where's the plane, Papa? There's the plane. Hi, Papa. Say bye, plane. Bye. Ayan yung plane namin.
want me to pass that one too?
Thank you.
That's alright.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Sa Mount Gambier, Paba. Bye, plane. Bye, plane. Guys, dito na kami sa parking lot. Pauwi na kami ni Holly. Yung pagland, hindi siya masyadong smooth, guys. As in, feeling ko talaga sumadsad talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. Ayun si Holly kumakain ng snack. Papa. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See you guys sa Sydney. Guys, punta pala kami ni Lovely's Day ni Paul sa Sydney this coming weeks. Bye! Papa! Say bye. Okay, guys. Bye. Flying kiss? Okay, bye. Isa? Bye. Ang gamit ni Holly na car seat pala, guys, yung kaysa kaya may tali siya dyan. Kasi yung car seat niya nandun sa car seat ni daddy niya, 'di ba? Nagpunta rin ng Melbourne. So yeah. Nag-explain talaga. So anyway, safe naman 'yan. So bye, guys. Bye. Baba. Bye-bye na. Ew. Bye-bye na, please. Bye. Flying kiss. Okay.
Me who you see, 'cause I think I do.